Hey, you found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife. I have a new video every week. Subscribe and like. Today, I'm going to be doing something a bit different in this video. The surf session didn't have very good footage, and there are a couple things that came up during the session that made me think I should do a video on surf etiquette. So without further ado, here's some my favorite videos on surf etiquette, followed by what happened during my surf session. So stay tuned and you'll see. Find links to all the videos in the description.
The surfer closest to the peak of the wave has the first option to take it. If they choose not to, the next person closest to the peak can take that wave. When you're learning, you will accidentally drop in on somebody. Just smile and apologize and avoid doing it again. But don't be discouraged. It is common. Just try to minimize your mistakes. And
the rule book says the surfer nearest the white water has unconditional right of way. Here's another scenario. Here's our surfer here. Here's a paddler. This paddler is heading out. This surfer's going to ride here. So I always say to my classes, what should this surfer have done? And it's pretty obvious. Do that way. I had the classic the other day of this, you know, and you know, okay, you get a really top surfer. Sometimes you don't know quite where they're going. Just go for the white water. You've done all that you can do. Just paddle for that white water.
If you have priority when paddling for the wave, ensure that you are going to make the wave, otherwise the wave will be wasted, as shown here. Toby looks as if he is going to catch the wave, but then decides not to go, not leaving Alex enough time to catch the wave. This time, Toby shows good etiquette and sees that Alex is in a better position, so lets him take the wave.
So now we get to relive some of my mistakes from this session. Well, actually, this first clip is from a previous session where I got dropped in on. So here I am, and here is the guy that's going to drop in on me. So check this out. I'm going to take off, and I'm going, and then this guy's going to paddle, and he's going to go right for me, right in front of me. So as I'm going, he drops in right on me, and we go out. So that situation, you know, he just dropped in right on me. I was, you know, not really upset, but it was a good wave for me, and I don't get much of those since I'm still learning. And so I was really excited about that wave, and when he cut me off, you know, I was a little bit frustrated about it, but I was happy I didn't get hurt, he didn't get hurt, so it was all okay. This next clip is where it's actually me this session, and let me pause it here. So here I am, and then you're going to see this guy is going to decide to come, and he actually has better position, so I should have seen him there and let him take the wave, but I didn't. So let's see how this plays out. So I'm taking off here. He's decided to go, and I'll pause it. So here he has the better position. I did take a look, and I saw him over there, and I thought that he was going to take it left, or that there's enough room between me and him that it wouldn't make an issue. So I went ahead and just committed to it, and I went for it. You can see he came my way. He's got a lot of speed, and I cut him off, and he gets upset and shouts some choice words at me, and then, you know, that was that. So there, I was in the wrong. As I say in the videos I showed before, I'm learning. It's gonna happen. I'll just learn from it, and next time, you know, definitely check better to see if, you know, if I'm dropping in on somebody. And here's the next clip that's coming. This is where, you know, I took this wave, and then I turned around, and I'm starting to head back out because I didn't make it, obviously. And at this point, you know, I'm coming, and there's a wave coming here, and this guy is going to take off, and I'm going to try to get out of his way, but we just kind of go right into each other. So the wave is coming, and here it is, and I'm seeing, He's coming right in on me. I'm going to try to angle this way to where I think the white water is going to be, and I think he's going to be taken on this way. So that's what I'm trying to do here, but then I can tell it's just a total closeout, and he's just coming right down on me. And there it is. Looks pretty bad. Actually, we're a little bit further apart than what it shows here, but I decide I'm going to turtle roll and protect myself and hopefully him and get out of the way. We did get tangled up a bit with our leashes, but other than that, neither of us got hurt and it was all okay. So in that situation, I think I did the right thing. I mean, I just turned around and there I was, and he's coming at me, and I tried to steer away, but there's really nothing we could do, and luckily neither of us got hurt. So that's really what I had to show from this session on surf etiquette. Something that needs to be worked on my part. I'm sure I'll get better at it, figure out the more I'm out there what sort of situations there are, what to do in different situations, and like they said in the videos, just try to keep everything light, talk to each other, do your best, don't get too upset. You're going to drop in on people sometimes, you're going to get dropped in on, it happens. Just learn from it and try to not do it. So that was the surf session. There were a lot of closeouts, like this monster one here. Didn't get the footage that I wanted, but I still learned a lot and had a lot of fun. So that's it for today, everybody. Have fun and keep it real.